Okay, some food burner. Sorry.
마늘.
Money.
마늘.
We're gonna use money.
마늘.
Sorry. money. Oh my gosh, I don't know.
And this is chicken.
We need this.
What the heck?
Gonna open the butter.
What did you say?
The butter. I'm gonna grab a little bit of butter.
How do you know if something is a good butter or not?
How do I know if it's a good butter or not?
Yeah.
Is the taste of it?
Ooh, have you tasted yet?
This one?
Yeah.
It's good. I love butter.
What do you think? What is the best butter on the earth?
Irish butter. Remember because the lady that asked me he ate like has tasted Irish butter?
Yeah.
And he's like, no, I don't know. And he said I was his favorite person because I actually like butter like him. Okay, you're cooking me out. There you go.
How many butters are we putting?
It's like a tablespoon.
Oh.
Yeah. And then we got some minced garlic. This is super minced garlic. And I put it there. I love garlic. Hopefully you guys do too.
Don't care about any reason I'm doing.
Dude, I love garlic. Garlic is the best. If you don't like garlic, I'm sorry. Your life is sad. So you need to turn it a little bit off because we want it to start cooking the garlic. Start like it just smells. Want to start like. And this is going. What is this going? It's gonna taste of stuff. It's gonna boil faster. I like to check to change the water because the water will turn cold. And I want our chicken to be soft. The hot water. I like this water because I don't like to put it in the microwave. Microwave chicken will stay cold. So this one is almost completely done. This one pretty fast if the water is hot. Also, you need to make sure that you don't put it too long when they close the top because we don't want to cook it with the water either. So, get back in here, back in here. This one. You can hear that the garlic is starting. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can smell it. See, can you smell it?
Yeah.
You guys smell the garlic? Dude, it smells bad. Now, before this starts getting red, like orange, I'm gonna put heavy whipping cream, a complete hint, and I scrape it because we need to get all that goodness out of it, out of the corn. Okay, as much as I can now, because that's why I bought it. I get a can. So, you need to put it in. You see? Ooh. You guys should try it out. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, I don't like to. But party is fun. Grab Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, and we're gonna mix it. Do you have a whisk? You don't have a whisk? Not that I know. I should have a point. Anyway, you don't even know you had one. So you grab this, and I like to cut them into little chunks like this. Sorry. Put them in. Put them in. All of these I do by eye. I used the first 3 times the recipe, but then I memorized it. So I just do it by eye.
How's it taste?
Dude, I love it. Tell us things that people move. You want okay? I use this bake. Oh, oil.
Oh.
Start.
Was it 3 something?
No, just put it
300.
all.
Oh, okay.
We want to whisk that in real well because we don't want big. Oh, good. It doesn't fall. And then you put some Parmesan cheese in it.
How much do you put?
I don't know. Until it tastes good to me. I'm telling you, I'm not using a recipe.
This is Genesis recipe.
I used to use one and I followed it and then I did it as good as I liked it. So we whisk it all really well so the cheese is melted. And then we start with the spices. All the ones that I use. So I put some lemon pepper, not a lot because I don't want to overpower. We put some garlic powder. We put some onion powder. Some parsley flakes, not a lot because they're big. But good amount of Italian seasoning. And then I go into about tasty. Should I taste sweet or savory? It's savory. This is Alfredo. Alfredo is not sweet. So this is what you do. And then you go by salt a little bit, not a lot of salt, because we don't want to make it too salty. Then I You need some stuff. I just put little by little, but I'm doing this so I can be able to measure how much is it takes and how much I want to put. So I grab more cream cheese, put it in. Is this good? With cream cheese? That's all I use in the recipe. You put the Parmesan. Oh, that's a big one. And then we whisk and make sure that everything is combined and real well. I kind of switch it from really. Well, this is ready. We need to put the pasta on. So we grab our pasta. And then, how much do you think we're gonna eat?
A lot.
You think so? Have you eaten the whole day?
No, I ate something.
We put some pasta in it. I put some oil and oh, I didn't put salt. I like to put salt in here because it just
Whoa.
it makes it taste good. I'm putting a little more pasta. I want to have some leftovers, so I'm gonna make some. Not a lot. Yeah, this is enough for the three of us right now. So that's what we do there. We just need to let it sit. So let's see how this is tasting. So I'm gonna grab this and up here. And I'm gonna put it. Yeah, we need salt. It's totally flavorless. I mean, like, we have really good taste, but something I really like about salt is salt bring up the flavors. Then I want a little more of sesame. Coffee, so no, not right now. So I'm gonna mix it in really well. The color is already so good. So in here, that pure color. Get a better taste. Yeah, this is not good for people that eat types of color.
So when was the first time that you cooked? You cooked Alfredo pasta?
Last year.
Who were you cooking for?
Hi, mates. I see. Oh, the roommates. Oh, it was all like 6 of us. Okay, now probably a little bit more cream cheese because we can and because I want. The reason why we want cream cheese. So let's this stick in. You see it's thickening?
Yeah.
So there you go. Do you have onions?
Oh no.
Oh, onions are super good.
Right.
Not here, but with the chicken, oh my.
It gets like natural sweetness.
It just gives a really good flavor to chicken. So this is what we do, and now it's taste time. Put your finger. Put your finger.
Okay, is it hot?
Not that hot. Put it on the mouth.
Ah, 뜨거.
What is that?
That means hot. Creamy and salty.
I don't know. I think it needs a little more salt.
Oh no, it's already salty. Salty enough.
It's not that salty.
Because you're thinking about the chickens and noodle.
Okay. So now we need to let it rest here. So I put it in low. Okay. Ooh, and I can here. For the chicken. So this is ready here.
Is there any special tip of yours that how to cook pasta? The noodle?
I like to put oil and
salt.
And salt.
A lot of salt.
It's not a lot of salt to be honest. You're not gonna taste the salt in the pasta. You just make it mix. Remember watercolor salt?
Oh right,
So
osmosis.
go inside.
Biology works in every situation.
Yeah,
in every life. Yeah.
Okay, so let's get a. Can I use this with the chicken?
Yeah.
Give me one. Here's a cutting board. Yeah, it's soft. Then what I like to do is I like to cut it in strips. It's cleaned already. And then in cubes.
Tell me anything about your memory about chicken.
Chicken will shrink on the pan.
Do you have any dear memory with chicken?
Chickens are dead. That's why we can eat them. So I think chicken. So there you go. This is the first one. Now let's get the second one out. Different kind of frozen seals. It's gonna be fine. They're already clean. I already cleaned them when I cut them because I get the big chicken breast. And then I cut them. Do you want to make a poem about chicken? Chicken's good. It tastes good.
You want to make a rat?
A rat? Like a rat? Rat? Like rat.
For chicken.
Oh, chicken, you taste so good. There you go.
You're so good.
Yeah, I know. So I like to cut them like this. Cut in.
Ooh.
It's not gonna get wrong. I'm not gonna get sick. Well, I don't want to get sick. Look at you now. Look at me. Look at you now. Look at me. You know, like pink. So this is the second one down.
Busy, huh?
Hey, you need to stop looking at this stuff. Okay, so now we need to check on everything. Do you have a little
Strainer?
yeah, but not right now because it's not ready. But I need a little cup that I can put on the microwave.
Oh, it's here.
Okay. You want with this?
Yeah. Is there any tip that you watch things?
Yeah, use soap. And make sure you don't get on your chicken. That will be cross contamination. Now I need paper towels. Do you have paper towels?
Yeah.
You need to spread that out.
Chicken or?
Because I'm gonna put some butter here. That's what we're gonna make. There you go. I'll look at it. So I'm gonna put like 10 seconds here. Sweating?
Tell me about your life.
I cut my hair. It looks earlier.
There we go, our 10 seconds talk.
So this is melted. Now we need to do this. And we need to put some garlic. A little bit of minced garlic. This is a little bit. This I will not put a lot. Because I don't want to make it really overpowered. Then we put some parsley in. Some parsley flakes. Okay. And then you just mix it in. Put one more parsley on inside here.
So salt and parsley are the more the better.
This is good. You see that?
Oh, it looks like an egg.
And then you put a little bit of garlic powder. Oh, that's a lot. Anyway, of these and we put it on it.
Ooh. Wow.
It looks good. Let me try
It really looks so good.
Taste the garlic. You see how beautiful it looks? Good bread too. Where did you get that bread from? Walmart. My bread, like this bread, is the best bread in the freaking world. I love these bread lovers. So, and you use it all in here. Now, something I really like to do here also, Parmesan.
Oh, cannot miss it. Are you burping or?
Then you grab these. Okay. Put it in the oil until we toast it.
Ooh.
Dude, you're having a full meal tonight. Okay. This is done. But we cannot turn it off because we're just waiting for Rachel. Hey, text Rachel.